In trade. I hope you guys doing well. I shared a video last week. I bought 6 stocks, and I mentioned in the video that I'm gonna share uh, the results with you guys, how the trade ended up, and what how I applied my trading plan. So out of 6 stocks, I sold 2 of them last 5 days, 4 or 5 days. So I do swing trade. I'm a swing trader. I used to do day trading before, then I changed it to swing trade. In the future videos, I will explain why I changed from day trading to swing trading. But for now, I will just show you guys those 2 trades. Today the market was very good. It was actually better than I expected. And I sold Facebook today, and I had another trade, PLTR, which I sold it last Friday. So I still have other 4 stocks as swing trade: Nvidia, Apple, Twitter, and WKHS. But these 2 stocks, PLTR and Facebook, I already closed the deal with those stocks, and both of them were profitable. Whoever didn't watch that video, I'm gonna make a combination with last video. I'm gonna add that video, the part that I analyze Facebook and PLTR. That part I will add to this video, so whoever didn't watch, they can see the video. So I will quickly jump on the trades. First, let's watch the PLTR. I bought it last Thursday and I sold it Friday. It took one day. It took shorter than I expected, which is good. So for PLTR, my plan was I bought it in the demand area around $25 last Thursday with in this candle after market hours. My plan was if it keeps, I was expecting it's gonna keep well here for the next day, because I got confirmation from demand zone, and that's why I bought it after market hours. And then next day the stock went up through $27.22 area, which is the green, broken green lines here. So I sold my shares next day around $27.22. After I sold it, the stock price went up a little bit. I could hold it more, couple more cents. But I do not feel mad about that. I want to mention about this quickly. For a trader, the important thing is to follow the plan. It doesn't matter how much this stock would go up. I still wouldn't be mad that I sold it early. My main point is always to follow my trading plan, because stock trading is type of business that there is no 100% guarantee that the stock goes up, it's gonna keep going up. So I analyzed, I made my decision when I bought the stock. I made my decision that I'm gonna sell this stock around $27.22. So I just followed my plan and I sold it in that price. It was per share, it was $2 couple cent profit per share. The second trade is I closed the deal with Facebook. Remember guys, this chart is 1 year, 1 day chart. So it's about PLTR and Facebook also. So one candlestick, these are candlesticks, represent 1 day during 1 year chart. So each candlestick represent 1 day. Facebook, I bought it at, let's see, I think in this candle during market hours. I was hoping it's gonna hold red line here. It didn't hold it. My plan was, if it holds here, gives uptrend, I'm gonna sell it in the broken line, if it doesn't hold, we have demand area here. I'm gonna add more shares in demand area because I was sure that if it goes through demand area, it's gonna give uptrend, good uptrend. So I don't remember which day I bought this stock, but one of these days I bought it around here, $251, and it didn't hold support line, and it dropped through demand area when it was around 246. I added more shares. After I added more shares, the stock price went up, and whenever the stock price reached to $251, I sold the shares that I added at $246 to lock in profit. And the next day again, the stock share price raised after market and pre-market hours. Also today during market hours, which was good. That's why I saw the share price is increasing, and I closed my deal around $200, $259, 55 cents. Even though after I sold it, the stock price went up, but I'm not mad about that. As I mentioned on PLTR trade, important thing is to follow the plan. So, I know Facebook is gonna grow, the share price is gonna grow more for next couple days, next weeks, but I am swing trader, so I just trade for a couple days or couple weeks. I prefer to hold the stock less than a month. It can be 1 week, 2 weeks, or a couple days. So that's why I close the deal when I see another chance on Facebook, the area that the price that I want. I can buy in the close future, but for now I close my deal with Facebook. So total, I made profit from the price $246 I bought. I sold it $251 as a balance. Then which I bought from $251. I sold it at $259.55. It's around $13 profit per share with balance, which I'm happy with. So I still have Apple, Nvidia, Twitter, and WKHS. I will share those stocks result whenever I close deal with them. I will explain what I did, what my plan was, how it ended up. And now I'm gonna also combine the video, last video with this video, so you guys can see what my plan was about PLTR and Facebook. So if you guys have any question on the strategies or my strategy or any information about stock trading, you guys please feel free to DM me my Instagram or Mtrade Instagram. I will be more than happy to help you guys, and please make sure you follow my YouTube channel for more videos. I think that's it for today. I will keep sharing more videos about my trades, and now I'm about to combine last week's video with this video. I bought Facebook yesterday. The price of aftermarket hours, the price around 251, something like that. As you guys can see, I have drawn here red line, support line. If it holded this support line yesterday, I mean today, because I bought it yesterday, my plan for that is to hold it, to sell it in the green broken lines. So today I woke up and it didn't hold it, and it sold off. So for Facebook, my plan was I'm going to buy around 251. If it holds, is great. I'm gonna just wait for the profit. If it doesn't hold, I have demand area here between 240. I cannot give the exact numbers, but approximately it's gonna be, the demand area is between 244 and something and 246 something. So this is my demand area, and today it dropped to demand area. I added more shares. So I basically balanced my position, so I added more shares. So I'm gonna wait the reaction for demand also. So after market hours today was positive from demand area, so it raised a little bit in the aftermarket hours. So for Facebook, my plan was, if I'm wrong with the trade, I'm gonna add more shares because it's important area. There's important demand area here. So let's say if the price raises tomorrow and it gives uptrend, is good. So I have more shares, and I'm gonna exit my position in the broken line for the Facebook. This is my plan. Those shares, I will draw a line here. I'm gonna sell it here.